Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you a quick makeup tutorial which will enable you to get yourself ready for any outing in just 2 minutes. So stay tuned with me, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Hold on. Before going ahead, I would like to tell you from where do I buy all my makeup and skincare products. It is my favorite platform indeed, which is Amazon.in. Yes, as you must be knowing that Amazon is the only place from where I buy most of my products, whether it is related to makeup, skincare, accessories, clothing, daily groceries. I only trust Amazon. And now Amazon is back with its spring summer sale, which will be there throughout the month of March. In this spring summer sale, you can check Amazon summer collection and makeup and skincare huge collection of various brands and can get huge discounts on all of them. Amazon provides fastest delivery and great customer support. So don't miss the sale and shop for yourself and for your family from this spring summer sale. Build your cart as this sale will last the whole month of March. So let us now begin with the quick makeup tutorial which will help you to get yourself ready for any kind of outing in just 2 minutes. Please note that all the products which I am going to use in this makeup are ranged below 1000 rupees. So all these products indeed are very reasonable, affordable, and I have got all of them from Amazon at huge discount. So if you will also buy them from Amazon, then you can get huge discount on them, and all these products are super amazing and they last longer. So build your cart right now. The very first and important in makeup is a primer, as it provides a barrier to your skin. Here I'm applying Colorbar Cosmetic Flawless Finish Primer. And after the primer, I will apply foundation, and here I'm using Daily Life Forever 52 Ultra Definition Liquid Long Lasting Full Coverage Flawless Weightless Foundation in the shade Chocolate Mousse. And I will, after using this foundation, I will be locking up my foundation with Daily Life Forever 52 Two-Way Cake Compact in the shade Fair with the yellow undertone. This will prevent my foundation from sweat and will give my face a matte finish. I have bought Huda Girl Beauty Combo Kit of 2 eyeshadows in the shade Rose Gold Remastered Edition and Nude Edition, and both these shades are sufficient for any party makeup or regular makeup. I'm using the nude eyeshadow here on my eyelids to lift up my eyes a little bit. You just need this kind of an eyeshadow brush and just gently apply the required eyeshadow on all over your eyelid. For blusher and contour, I'm using MyGlamm Pose HD Blush Duo Coral Punch. It gives a satin finish and has a buildable coverage. It is lightweight and blends effortlessly and lift up your entire look. As you can see, I have used the darker shade as a contour and the lighter one on the apple of my cheeks as blush. I'm going to finish my eye makeup by using Forever 52 Eye Pencil Eyeliner. It is very easy to use, and then I'm gonna use Kiko Milano Black Kajal Pencil only on the half area of my waterline to make my eyes look bigger. I'm going to finish my eye makeup using Lakme Absolute Mascara on my eyelashes. At last, I'm going to finish my look using the RENEE Fab 5 lipstick, and I have bought its Fab 10 combo as it has all light to dark shades of red, whereas the other one is having all the neutral shades. It is very easy to use. Just pop, push and choose your color and just apply it. It is creamy and need reapplication when required. And as you can see, I have here chosen the neutral shade according to the look. And here it is. With this lipstick, I'm done with my makeup, and just after a little bit of my hair, I'm ready. You can also use these products and these steps to get yourself ready for any occasion. To store my makeup properly and to pack it nicely for traveling, I have bought this super cool cosmetic storage bag which has adjustable compartment and is in the size 25 into 22 into 29 centimeter from the House of Quirk brand. It is a multi-purpose bag designed to use any product or any brush set. Lastly, to organize my dressing area, I have bought this beautiful makeup organizer which has a drawer for holding my regular makeup and skincare products from the brand called Wolpin. It is cute and just perfect for any dressing table. The portable cosmetic bag and this cosmetic organizer are indeed very good and has superb quality. This is the easiest and the fastest way to get yourself ready for any kind of outing in just 2 minutes. Note that all these products I have bought from Amazon at huge discount. All these makeup products are from all renowned makeup brands which are very famous in makeup industry, and you can get all these brands products on Amazon at great discount. So what are you waiting now? Just build your cart and shop for yourself right now. I'm gonna put all the related links of all these products which I have bought from Amazon in the description box below. Do check them all, and if you like any of these products and if you feel that all these products are affordable and you also want to try all of them, then don't wait, because Amazon Spring Summer Sale is here for all of you and it will last throughout the month of March. So it is the best time to shop for yourself from your favorite brands this season and get yourself ready for this spring and summer season. So guys, don't wait and build your cart right now and shop for yourself, for your family, not only just the makeup products but all the other products which you wish to buy for yourself or for your kids or for your loved ones for that matter, from Amazon, from its spring summer sale. So this was it for today's video. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. And yes, if you have any kind of feedback, or if you want me to make any of your favorite look, or if you want me to create any other content which would be useful for you, then please write it in the comment section below. I will definitely revert it back and will consider it for my next video. Stay tuned for my next video and keep shopping from Amazon in this spring summer sale for yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.